so excited. So everybody show your style. As we just celebrate Dunia. ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान.
I'm Chris. I'm Jose.
And I'm Stephen, and we are CJS.
I'm Fides. I'm a full-time PhD student in the business school, and I love dancing.
And I'm Raman, and I work for the NHS.
My name's Jeff Holner. I'm a senior lecturer in architecture.
My name is Mathilde. I'm 20 and I'm from France.
Hi, I'm Nikita Mascarenas.
And I'm Pratima Bhatia.
And we are from the Indian Society.
No matter where you go, the north or the south, the east or the west, we promise that you will be wowed by the varied cultures, traditions, food, music, and of course, the dances.
One of those things that as a band we've always looked forward to. Ever since we did the first one back in 2016, we've just always been thinking, yeah, we can go back and do next SHU Fest, and now it's our third one, so really looking forward to it.
We've been dancing together
For around 20 years.
We've been doing the SHU Fest a few times before, and we're doing it again because we love dancing.
Participate in the SHU Fest because I don't know, basically I never performed in the university and in some kind of events like this, so why not to be out of my comfort zone and to perform and to represent a little bit of my home country.
And the reason why I'm taking part in SHU Fest is because I believe it is a key part to students' learning and experience within the university to not only just concentrate on their studies but also the rest of their life as well and have fun.